We are starting the process of canning blueberries for baking purposes. We have our pot here filled with clean blueberries. We are going to cover it with water, and then we'll add just enough water to keep it from sticking. The idea here is we want to heat the blueberries through, have just enough juice to keep it from sticking, and then we will can them in our jars. Okay, so we are at the point we're going to shut off the water. We have enough water to cover the berries, and now we can put it on the stove to start heating it through. As these begin to heat, we will stir them occasionally, making sure they don't scorch, and adding water as needed. Our berries are now heated through, and now we are going to pack them in jars. And we're going to fill them to a 1/2 inch headspace. Now that all of our berries are packed in the jar and water is up to the 1/2 inch headspace mark, we're going to go ahead and wipe the rims and put them in the canner. Okay, so these are ready to go into the hot water. Because they are hot packed and not raw packed, they'll need 15 minutes once we come to a rolling boil. Here is our first set out of the canner.